गवर्नमेंट है।
यस,
जैसे पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट है उसमें गवर्नमेंट है, और जो उसके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मतलब जो भी होती है इन्वायरमेंट में, जो भी पॉलिटिकल, जैसे गवर्नमेंट के अंडर जो भी आ जाता है।
ठीक है। देखो बेटे, सिंपल से लैंग्वेज में आई कैन टेल यू द आंसर। लीगल मीन्स वेयर इन सम लॉ इज बीइंग एनफोर्स्ड। When in the question it is given that government has passed an act, for example, for protection of consumer, government has passed Consumer Protection Act. Consumer Protection Act says that you can't exploit your consumer. If you have mentioned on the piece of packet that it is of 1 kg, it should be of 1 kg, otherwise your business will be banned. It means this act has come into enforcement and now it is strictly followed throughout the country. So this is a part of legal environment wherein some law legislature has been passed and that will be enforced. When it comes to political environment means which is the ruling government, which is the ruling government party, which is the opposition party, कौन सी है हमारी? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट पार्टी की बात की होगी, एंड देन their ideology means what is their viewpoint. For example, if it comes to BJP government which is currently running the country, their ideology is like Make in India program they have launched, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan they have launched, then ऐसे plans जिसमें इंडिया को मैन्युफैक्चरर बनाने की efforts किए गए, that is the ideology of the government. Government wants to the Indian economy to compete with the rest of the world. Government wants to enhance the quality of production. India में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा production हो, foreign से ज़्यादा import ना हम करें, यहाँ पे manufacture करें and export करें. This is the ideology and efforts done by the ruling party, जो present government है. So this is what is a part of क्या है ये है हमारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का environment. This is the political environment of the business. What is the thoughts of the political party? What is the thought of the government party? And how are their relation? For example, at the time of Congress government, India has better relation with Pakistan, if I'm not wrong. As per my knowledge, at the time of Indian government was like हमारे जो ruling party थी, that was Congress. At the time, India has good relation with China as well as with Pakistan, because वो government की ideology, उनकी thought process, उनकी relations वैसे थे. Now when BJP government is in power, they have more friendly relation with America. जब से बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट आई, 2 बार हमारी पाकिस्तान के ऊपर सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो गई, एक बार एयर स्ट्राइक हो गई, एक बार सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो गई. चाइना के साथ हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं है, बट नाउ वी हैव गुड रिलेशन विद रेस्ट ऑफ द नेशंस. सो दिस इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन पावर, जो है व्हाट इज देयर आइडियोलॉजी. ठीक है जी. सो यू कैन कंफर्म दिस पॉइंट दैट व्हेन government party, political party, their thoughts, their actions, their activities are concerned, political environment है. अगर कोई लॉ पास किया है, कोई एक्ट पास किया है, कोई नया रूल बनाया, कोई नया टैक्स लगाया है, जैसे जीएसटी लॉन्च कर दिया, सो दे विल ऑल बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ लीगल एनवायरनमेंट. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कुछ ऑर्डर कर दिया, चाइल्ड लेबर बैन है, प्लास्टिक बैन है, दे आर ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ लीगल एनवायरनमेंट. ठीक है बेटे. Okay, so let's come to the this questions which I have sent you, the crossword puzzle. Okay, let's start from across and you can answer. ठीक है जी. Number 1, just take the universe, subtract from it the subset that represent the organization and the remainder is the क्या होता है? Okay, Kanika Goyal, bete you can answer.
Business environment.
It is environment only. E से है ना, हमने क्रॉसवर्ड में वो भी देखना है ना लेटर. E से it's environment only. Number 2, it is very difficult to predict future happenings in the business environment. Okay, Mitali, you can answer.
Uncertainty.
It's uncertainty. Okay, you say, है ना. Third is changes in disposable income of people is an important element in the dimension. Which dimension they are talking about? Income. Okay, answer. Manya, you can answer.
Economic.
It's economic. Yes, change in the income of the people is economic. Next is the economic reforms that aimed at deregulating the Indian business and industry from the unnecessary controls and restriction. ये भी मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है. Yes, Sanya, you can answer.
Liberalization.
It's liberalization जिसमें हमने controls and restrictions को remove कर दिया. Very good. Now from the downside, या और भी है इसके नीचे और भी है. चलिए पहले यही कर लेते. Downside, first one, administrative orders issued by the government. Authority is an important element. कोई order pass किया है government ने. Which part is this? Janvi can answer. Janvi को भी समझाया. Janvi.
Ma'am, legal environment.
Yes, it is legal environment because administrative orders are being issued by the government. तो यहाँ पे government word is there, but still ये political नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे रखना है थोड़ा सा. Government word is there, but answer is legal, not political, because they have taken some administrative strict actions are being taken. कोई order pass किया. Next is integration of the various economies of the world leading to the emergence of a cohesive global economy. Very easy. नाम से पता चल गया. Hint भी था बीच में. Himani, you can answer.
Globalization.
Globalization. Next is the custom and traditions are important element of this dimension. Kashvi, you can answer.
Social environment.
Social. Very good. कोई भी religion, custom, culture हमारा social. The next is this dimension of business environment includes forces related to scientific improvement and technologies which provide new ways of production of goods and services. Hina Taneja, you can answer.
Ma'am, technological environment.
Technological नाम से पता चल गया. Very easy. Vandana is there in the class? No? Okay, no problem. Fifth one, across में पढ़ते हैं. It refers to the positive external trends or changes that will help a firm to improve its performance. Positive और external trends जो आपको help कर सकते हैं, ये आपको समझाया था. Advantages. Yes. Okay. Kanika.
Opportunity.
Opportunity. Very good. Opportunities आपके पास जो options है improve करने की. The business environment keeps on changing. Vanshika.
Dynamic.
It's dynamic. Very good. Next is general stability and peace in the country is an important element of this dimension of the business environment. आपकी कंट्री में पीस है, स्टेबिलिटी है या डिस्टर्बेंस चल रही है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की आपस में लड़ाई लगी हुई है, दे आर नॉट, कभी कोई वो कह रहे हैं जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर चेंज करना है, कभी कुछ दे आर चेंजिंग द मिनिस्टर्स इन पावर, या फिर देयर इज लाइक डिस्टर्बेंस अमंग द नेशन, इंडिया पाकिस्तान की लड़ाई लग गई या कुछ ऐसा. सो दैट इज ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ जैस्मीन.
Political environment.
Political environment, yes, because it depends on the political party in power. Boys are not answering. Boys are there in the class. Sanyam bete, Kannav, Vasudev and Anirudh. Chandan is also there. Bhavya is there. और भी कुछ बच्चे हैं, but they are not answering. I don't know. Boys are not that dumb, I think. Yes or no? Aditi is there in the class? Aditi? No, Aditi is also not there. बच्चे बहुत आप लोग क्लासेस मिस करते हैं. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट है. These forces have impact on all business enterprises and thus may affect an individual firm only indirectly. Okay, Anirudh, yes, bete.
General forces.
It is general forces because it affects all the businesses. Next is it refers to the external environment trend and changes which may hinder a firm's performance. External environment में जो changes या trends हैं जो आपकी performance को hinder कर सकते हैं. Okay. किसी और बच्चे को चांस देते हैं. कुछ ही बच्चे हैं, only they are raising their hand. Manya, you can answer.
Threats.
They are the threats. Okay. They can hinder. Yes. Next is these forces affect individual enterprises directly and immediately to their day-to-day working. Hina. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, general forces.
No. Individual word लिखा है बेटे. Individual enterprise को affect करने वाली.
Specific forces, I'm sorry.
Yes, it is specific forces. Next is business environment different from country to country and region to region. ये हमने features में पढ़ा था point, if I'm not wrong. Okay, Vanshika, you can answer.
Relativity.
Relativity means same business environment किसी एक पे कुछ और असर करता है and on the some other business it may have some different impact. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a part of business environment? Anirudh.
None of the above.
How you can say that? Customer, competitor, supplier, okay, all of them are part of business environment, right? Next question is the growing awareness about healthcare has led to an increase in the demand of healthcare products and services in the country. It identifies which feature of business environment? Okay, Kannav Batra. Yes, Kannav.
Option D, interrelatedness.
Why so?
Because healthcare products are now a necessary part of the nation, and as due to COVID-19 pandemic and
Interrelated का मतलब होता है बेटे when something leads to change in the other thing. तो उसकी वजह से कुछ और हो गया. तो वो कह रहे हैं लोगों में awareness बढ़ रही है, उसकी वजह से demand increase. So that is how it is interrelated. Answer is correct. Next is any kind of external device like CD and this and this and this. तो वो सारे को replace करके दी. आजकल सब किस में सेव करते हैं? हम Google Drive में करते हैं ना. पेन ड्राइव हम नहीं रखते हैं अपने किसी भी और जगह पे. हम अपने फोटोज डॉक्यूमेंट सबको सेव नहीं करते हैं. It enables the user to store document, photo, music, movies, etc. Web-based servers. Identify the feature of business. Okay. Anirudh.
Dynamic.
Dynamic तो नहीं है बेटे इसका. How you can say it's dynamic? आप बताइए अपनी explanation.
मैम पहले वो सीडी के साथ स्टोर करते थे, पर अब वो गूगल ड्राइव और iCloud के से स्टोर करते हैं.
डायनेमिक बेटे तब होता ना जब यहाँ पे होता है एवर चेंजिंग. कुछ ऐसी एग्जांपल दी होती. डायनेमिक भी वैसे मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा, पर अनसर्टेनिटी मुझे ज्यादा लग रहा है यहाँ. अनसर्टेन हाउ? बिकॉज सी why we are saving these things so that we will not lose it. So but dynamic, I think dynamic can also go. Okay, just leave this question. There is a tie between uncertainty and dynamic because book says uncertainty. Dynamic मुझे भी लग रहा है. I will let you know later. ठीक है. Anirudh, do you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Okay, no problem. Fourth question. अब आप ये बता दीजिए. According to UN Nation Environmental Agency, the world produce around this plastic and single use. पढ़िए आप अपने आप क्वेश्चन. ओके, ये मुझे लग गया आंसर. What is the answer? Yes. एक लाइन यहाँ पे है. Let me highlight that line. यहाँ पे एक लाइन है जिसमें ये रिसाइकल्ड चीज को यूज करके उन्होंने ऐसा एक नई गाड़ी बना दी है। तो थोड़ी टेढ़ी होगी मेरी लाइन, रिसाइकल करके। तो दिस इज अ ओके, सो यू हैव आल्सो गॉट द आंसर। यस मुस्कान।
Technological.
Yes, it is a technological environment because they have rebuilt something. कोई new technology बनाई, reuse किया waste material को। Next is DigiLocker. DigiLocker first this and this and this. नाम से पता चल जाता है जब DigiLocker का word आ गया ना, तो this is what I believe. सारा क्वेश्चन देखो फर्स्ट लाइन से लेके लास्ट लाइन तक DigiLocker ऐप उसी की बात कर रहे हैं। So this is again undoubtedly चाहत, you can answer. टेक्नोलॉजिकल यस डायमेंशन। नेक्स्ट इज द उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट ने सर्विलेंस के लिए काम लगाया एंड सर्विलेंस के लिए माइनिंग डिपार्टमेंट ने कंसीडर्ड ड्रोन्स। ओके, तो ड्रोन्स की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, सर्विलेंस के लिए नेटवर्क बनाया गया है। सो अगेन अनडाउटेडली द आंसर विल बी हिमानी। व्हाट विल बी द
Technological.
one
And
part is
political.
clear, it is technological, but technological के साथ दूसरी ऑप्शन हमारे पास यहाँ दी है political. Political is there, yes. Why? Because state government ने देखो लिखा है state government भी consider कर रही है इसको अपना campaign बनाएंगे, illegal mining को रोकना, ये उनका campaign है, तो government is into it, so that is how it is political too. So this is the right answer. Next है, in order to boost and double India's export, इंक्रीज करना है, तो इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट तो लग रहा है, और दूसरा रेगुलेटरी टैक्स फ्रेमवर्क है, तो आंसर विल बी, क्या आंसर होगा? कि मैंने पहले ही बता दिया। चलिए यस अनिरुद्ध, सेम आंसर।
मैम इकोनॉमिक एंड लीगल।
Yes, it is economic and legal because economic हमें export से पता चल गया, export, import, money supply, US dollar ये economic का part है, and then tax regulatory framework है तो legal environment का part बन गया। Next question, electric vehicles with zero tailpipe emission are emerging as a good alternative to problem like this. तो इसमें it means technological तो है, pollution को लेके कह रहे हैं, and then okay. Pipe emission emerging good alternative problem like climatic change and due to okay, 3 students have raised their hand. Mitali, you can answer.
Economic dimension, technological dimension and social dimension.
Third one ना, ठीक है। Social क्यों है? क्योंकि वो पता चल गया कि people now मतलब problems जो हो रही है उसके ऑल्टरनेटिव देख रहे हैं वो, कि जिससे हेल्थ नुकसान कम हो, तो वहां पे सोशल हो गया। टेक्नोलॉजिकल कैसे हो गया? क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसी व्हीकल बनाए हैं जिसमें एमिशन नहीं होती है, टेल पाइप एमिशन 0 है। एंड देन द थर्ड वन इज इकोनॉमिक। हाउ इट इज इकोनॉमिक? बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट बिल की बात कर रहे हैं, सो इट इज इकोनॉमिक। दैट्स द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज योटमी। Yotomi begins its business offering combo of this and this and this and this. Okay, last कर लेते हैं। The above case highlight one of the point related importance of business बताने। Okay, तो वो क्या करते हैं? People want to get healthier food, तो उन्होंने respond back किया और healthy alternative salad, fruits, wraps and oatmeal दिए। Very good. So interesting question. Okay, Kashvi, you can answer.
It helps in coping with rapid changes.
Very good. It helps in coping with rapid changes. लोगों में change आ गया है, people they want something else. So business environment ने help किया उसको cope up करने में। Next is the Union Cabinet has given in principle no to air strike करता कर दो। The wholly government owned airline say the means the government is willing to do this and this and this, and the answer will be yes, okay, है बच्चे कुछ। मुस्कान, you can answer again.
Privatization.
प्राइवेटाइजेशन। एक लाइन हमें यहाँ पे मिल गई थी प्राइवेट सेक्टर की। पहले मेरे को ऊपर वाला पार्ट पढ़ के मुझे कुछ और ही, मैं तो डायमेंशंस में चली गई, मुझे लगा कि डायमेंशंस का क्वेश्चन है, बट देन व्हेन वी सी द ऑप्शंस दे आर प्राइवेटाइजेशन। ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन। In today's world, the flow of goods and services is not only cheap and fast, but reliable and this and this and this. You want to go from one country to other, limitation, boundaries, very easy. मुझे लगता है कि आंसर मुझे एक ही लाइन में मिल गया. Yes, Kanika, you can answer.
Globalization.
Yes, it's globalization because they are talking about moving from one country to other, and there is no limitation in the boundaries. So this is a very easy topic. So I think most of the students, they are very much clear about the dimensions. So you may have seen most of the questions are related to dimensions of business environment, or they are related to features and importance. Privatization, globalization के बहुत ज़्यादा question आने के chances नहीं हैं. The question I have already told you, that effect of changes of government policy on business and environment, that question can come in your exam. ठीक है जी. Now, anyone else, if you have any doubt, you can ask me now, or I will start asking you other questions. Okay, so I want Vanshika, you to tell me. I want all of you to switch on your camera. You all are visible on my screen. So I want you to switch on your camera. Okay. Vanshika, bete, you can tell me the meaning and keywords. How you can identify that a question is related to social environment of the business. Vanshika Kapoor, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bete, you can answer me. What are the keywords with which you can identify that this is a question of social environment?
Ma'am, it includes various social forces such as customs, beliefs, lifestyle values, etc. Changes in social environment affect an organization in the long run.
Okay. Jasleen Kaur is there. Jasleen Kaur. Jasleen, roll number 42. Are you there? Okay, so this is a small exercise with which we will know that how many of you are active right now in the class. Okay, Kashvi, you can answer, bete. The same question, social environment. What are the key factors which will tell you that this is a question of social environment of business?
Social environment tells all the factors that are related to customs and traditions of the people, and also the taste and preferences, the education literacy rate, and
the festivals, whatever, if given in the question, festival. Obviously, they are included in customs. You told it earlier, but this word should be kept in your mind. Festivals. One more point which you people left, that is the mindset of the people, the standard of living of the people, and how much aware they are, like they are literate or illiterate. That is also a major impact on the social environment of the business. Okay, so Harshita Gandhi, switch on your camera and unmute yourself. I want you to tell me, Harshita, that what are the factors which will help you to identify that this is a question of political environment? Harshita? Beta, your mic is on, but you are not giving the answer. Okay, Chahat, you can answer, Beta. Chahat. Chahat. Okay. Jasmine, you can answer.
Ma'am, the keywords like the demonetization अगर हो रही है, so that is an factor that will show that it is a political environment. And जैसे कोई भी ऐसी schemes और policies जो भी government कर रही है start issue कर रही है, वो भी एक keyword होगा political environment के लिए, जैसे कि स्वच्छ भारत अभियान हो गया.
Okay. Like the relation of the
And
government. We are supposed.
यस मैम, और जो भी कंडीशंस हैं और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की जो भी जो पावर में है और जो भी रूल कर रही है उनके बारे में भी जो पता चलेगा वो पॉलिटिकल
Like the
एनवायरनमेंट।
ideology and preferences of the government is also to be considered. Yes. Okay. So next question is from Harshita. Now she is here. Harshita, the question to you is how you can identify the question of economic environment. Harshita, unmute yourself, please.
से आएगा कि फॉल इन द स्टॉक में फॉल हो रहा है एंड
Economic environment, yes.
एनी चेंज इन जीडीपी,
Any changes in GDP, yes. What else?
चेंज इन बैंक रेट,
Bank rate, yes. Okay, Himani, you can add in some points here in economic environment. Himani.
Ma'am, change in tax, change in bank rate, change in income and savings.
Income and savings of the people, yes. What else? See, when you are feeling like you are feeling कि मुझे नहीं आ रहा concept, को दिमाग में point नहीं आ रहा, तो always remember 3 points I have told you. Government policies, economic policies, economic system, याद है? और तीसरा क्या था? हमारा जो business cycle है, like the rate of inflation, deflation, boom is going on, depression, recession, what is going on in the economy? The economic conditions of the country, एक इसमें आ गया ये. Second मैंने आपको बताया था what type of economy, economic system of the country, capitalist, socialist वो है. And the third one, government policies, sorry, economic policies. Economic policies include हमारी import export policy क्या है, हमारी taxation policy क्या है, या bank rate, ये सारे जो points आपने बोले, money supply क्या है, GDP, national income. So all these points are being included. So you are supposed to have like full of all the keywords इधर होने चाहिए. Then only you will be able to identify. Okay, no problem. Next point I want to ask from Kanav Batra. Kanav Batra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanav, please tell us about liberalization.
And liberalization was done in 1991. It had a motive of liberalizing the economy of India, and its main feature was to liberalize businesses which were liberalized businesses from licenses, and businesses were given liberty of choosing their own scale.
ठीक है, अनिरुद्ध, you can add in here बेटे. अनिरुद्ध. Liberalization.
मैम लिबरलाइजेशन मैम हमें ज्यादा वो रूल्स जो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थी वो हमें अब हटाई गई हैं हमारे ऊपर से. हम अपने विदाउट लाइसेंस भी कोई दुकान पहले अपनी शॉप कोई बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हैं, और पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था.
Unwanted restrictions have been removed. License system has been abolished. मतलब कुछ ही चीजों पे लाइसेंस है, अदरवाइज ऑल लाइसेंसेस आर बीइंग रिमूव्ड. तो लिबरलाइज कर दिया हमने बिजनेसेस को. वी हैव मेक दिस वर्क इजियर फॉर द बिजनेसेस टू ग्रो एंड एक्सपैंड एंड वर्क. ओके, एंड प्राइवेटाइजेशन. काशवी.
Privatization means that more importance was given to a private sector, and everything was transferred to private sector from public sector. Means that was disinvestment of
disinvestment. The term इधर रखनी है, ठीक है, अपने term पूरी clear हो. Disinvestment was made by the public sector and the money supply is transferred from public to private sector. Yes, Manya. Globalization.
It means the integration of various economies in the world.
Okay. What else?
Relation with one country, relation of one country with the other.
Like
Globally.
Okay, so liberalizing the trade between the countries so that the whole world can come as a global economy altogether. That is globalization. So globalization के अगर आपको feature कोई पूछा हो globalization का, तो can you give me one line or some statement which by which you can identify the feature? अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया अभी तक थोड़ी देर पहले globalization का. Like anything from any part of the world, open trade, open or trade barriers for export and import. इस तरह की लाइन अगर आपको दी हो, free foreign direct investment allow कर दी हो, इस तरह की अगर foreign exchange में जो restrictions थी वो हटा दी, तो that can be considered as a concept priority for globalization. Okay, and the last one, topic of demonetization is there. Yes, Kanika. Ashwinder is also there. Ashwinder, you can answer beta. Demonetization.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, demonetization. Beta.
It was introduced. Ma'am, it was done by the government of India on November 8, 2016, with the motive of reducing the black money in the market, and it the notes of 500 and 1000 were demonetized, and 86% of the currency in rotation was declared illegal. Was declared
not illegal. It's
was
invalid. Invalid.
So it was declared invalid, and it was done to. It was done as tax. It was viewed as a tax administrative policy also, and yes, and it was done to reduce the illegal activities being performed in the country.
Tax evasion can be controlled and reduced, and then maximum tax collection can be there. So these were the objectives of demonetization, under which, but the definition हमें demonetization की एक लाइन में आपने नहीं दी. Ashwinder. Okay, Manya, you can answer. What is actually demonetization? If you are supposed to tell in one line, what is demonetization?